Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel getassist.net, where I talk about email services, social media, troubleshooting and latest trends. And today I'm gonna walk you through how to clear Instagram search history and suggestions. So this is going to be a quick tutorial. Now let's jump into the video. So right now I am logged into my Instagram, and to clear the search history you have to go to your profile by pressing the profile icon and then tap the three lines at the top. Now tap settings, press security, and at the bottom of this page you will see the option search history. Simply tap that. Now here you will see all the things that you have searched for using the search bar, and you can remove them all at once by pressing clear all, or you can also remove them individually by pressing X given to the right of each of them. Alright, so here I am going to press clear all, and again I have to tap clear all. So this you cannot undo this action. Once you have cleared all your history, you won't be able to restore it. Alright, so now if you will go back to the search bar, so it will not show you the recent searches that you have made if you have cleared them all. So that was all for this video. I hope you found this information useful, and if you want more such videos, don't leave without subscribing, and I will see you the next time.